Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Chat GPT on Microsoft Excel. Today's Chat GPT is most popular chatbot. If you using this artificial intelligence tool, you can find any kind of information. You can also integrate the Chat GPT on your Microsoft Excel document for rapidly create the documentation. Let's learn how you can integrate the Chat GPT on Microsoft Excel. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In your Microsoft Excel, you have to go to Home tab, then you have to click on the add-ins. Here you have to search the Chat GPT, then you have to select the GPT for Excel word. We have to click to add. So once you install the GPT on your Excel document, so you can select the option anything as you need. Here you can also select the generate the formula. So you have to select this. So I would like to multiply this 3 column values. So I have to select the formula. So I just ask the formula for this. So create the formula for multiple the 3 columns value. Then we have to click on the generate formula. So it will be generate the formula. You have to select the cell what you would like to get the result. That's it. So in the 4th row it will be added the formula, then it will be multiply this 3 column values formula for the Chat GPT. So you can also any kind of formula to generate by using this Chat GPT. So in this way, you can integrate the Chat GPT on your Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.